Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam. And finding error pang tuturo ko sa inyo dahil hindi po ito nawawala. At tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano natin makuha yung sagot ng mabilisan. Dahil when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. Okay, so let's find the errors sa dalawang sentence natin na ito. Number 1, here comes the beautiful applicants for the most popular beauty contest in their elegant, stylish, graceful, and proper evening suits. Okay? So tingnan natin kung alin dyan ang mali. And the correct answer is itong A. At bakit po siya mali? Because itong word na comes. Why? Kasi ang subject po natin dito ay applicants. Here comes the beautiful applicants. Applicants is nasa plural form. And basically, dapat itong comes, plural din. At ang plural form ng comes ay come lang. So the correct sentence is, here come the beautiful applicants. Okay, take note of that. Ang technique po dito ay dapat malaman po ninyo yung subject at yung kung ano po ang dapat na gamitin na verb. So the answer is letter A. Okay, number 2 naman. With little patience, we will be able to get through these trying and challenging times. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to answer this one. Okay, and the correct answer is letter A. Bakit? Kasi kulang po ng article na A. The correct sentence is with a little patience. Why? Kasi pag with little patience lang, lacking of patience. Pero ang gustong sabihin ng speaker dito, sa maliit na pasensya, we will be able to get through these trying and challenging times. Ang technique po dito, tingnan po natin mabuti kung mayroong kulang or maling nailagay dito sa ating sentence. Okay, I hope you got this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!